Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G84. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. Beginning, let's go to Google app and enter menu. Sign in. Again, go to menu and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, voice match, and enable Hey Google function. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. And now we are sure it's working. Let's go back and enter lock screen. Make sure that assistant responses on lock screen are enabled, and now you can simply lock the screen and say, "Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?"
It will be partly cloudy with a high of 18 and a low of 7.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.